Assalamu alaikum student. My name is Taseen Fatma and I am your nursery teacher. Good morning my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. Alhamdulillah. How's your day spent? Have you done your homework? Okay, listen to me carefully. I really appreciate your efforts, the parents' effort who put in this class. The children are very quiet, well mannered and nice, and I really appreciate you all for this who listens to me carefully. Whenever I ask you the questions, you answered me. This is really appreciable for me. Thank you so much my students for cooperating with me in this hard time. This is not for forever. This is temporary, our online classes. Then we will meet inshallah in school and pursue our studies. Okay students, thank you so much for your cooperation, and parents, thank you so much for your cooperation. Now I would like to start my morning sessions, or you can say that it's a circle time, with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Okay students, as you all know that we can start with the thousand tasmiyah. Tauz means Auz Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem and tasmiyah is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It's a quick review of this circle time, because I've already mentioned in thoroughly in yesterday's session that how our morning session, or you can say our circle time, going on. Okay, then we start with the Surah Hamd. As you all know that Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Okay, this is Surah Hamd. Then we will start with the Surah class. Then we in this month we have Surah Asr, so we recite Surah Asr. Then recitation of Pehla and Dusra Kalma. Then we have, after completing the surahs and kalmas, we have the Masnoon Dua. As you all see this, I have mentioned here खाने के बाद की दुआ, खाने से पहले की दुआ, दूध पीने के बाद की दुआ, दूध पीने के बाद की दुआ और सफ़र की दुआ. ओके, ये 4 मसनून दुआएं हैं जो कि हमारे इस मंथ में हमने इंक्लूड की हैं. लेटर ऑन वी कैन चेंज आवर theme also, we can change our duaएं and surah also. Okay, after recitations of duaएं, surah and kalmat, after the recitation of surah and duaएं, masnoon duaएं, we take a quick review of the parts of the body. As you know that we have already discussed the 2 body parts this week, and later on the next week we have also discussed the 2 and the body parts. Okay, we have discussed 2 body parts. The one is eyes and the second one is nose. As you all know that we can see through our eyes and we can smell through our nose. Okay, after parts of body we have some GK questions. As you see on the screens, we have quite 8 to 10 questions. Okay, after some GK questions and Islamic questions, we have such English and Urdu poems. For example, the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, Teddy Bear, Head and Shoulders, Incy Fancy Spider. And in Urdu we have the Mote Mote Haath, Abdullah Motor Car, and Billy Nana Pali. Okay, now it's time for the board lesson, so we can start with the English one. Okay, as you all know that we have covered the letters on L in this week, and the next week we have to cover the next letter. So we have to get command on this, that how to write the L. The formation of L is start with the point, go down and stop. L is the standing line. Okay. Please learn letter sounds, phonics with related vocabulary. For example, a lion, a leg, a lamp, a ledger, ladybug, leaf, log, ledger. Okay. Go and do practice in your English copy and as well as in English book. I have mentioned the page number of homework and classroom in the last. Okay. This is your English copy. You have to do page number 6 and 7 in classwork. And this is your book. You have to do page number 4 in your homework. Okay. After English, we have a mathematical development class. We can read thoroughly 1 till 10. Okay. Yes. In this week, we have covered two numbers, 1 and 2. Okay. 1 is a standing line, as you all see that, and 2 is round and sit down. The formation of 2 is round and sit down. Okay, this is your maths copy. You have to do page number 9 and 10 in homework and classwork. Okay, it's the exercise of 2, and the formation of 2 is round and sit down. Okay, after English and maths, we have the Urdu work. This is your Urdu book. From here, we can read Huruf-e-Tarjee through pictures. आज हम लोग का ऑनलाइन क्लास का लास्ट डे था, तो आज हमने अलिफ की एक एक्सरसाइज दोबारा से की है, क्योंकि अलिफ हमारे इस वीक का लेटर हरूफ-ए-तहज्जी था। तो आप मेरे साथ फिर से रिपीट कीजिए। अलिफ से ऊँट, अलिफ से अंगूर, अलिफ से अनार एंड अलिफ से स्टरी। ओके, जैसे कि मैं आपको बार बार बताती रहती हूँ कि जो भी हुरूफ आप लिख रहे हों तो उसके साथ साथ उसको बताइए, ये भी बताइए कि अलिफ से हमें बस क्या क्या आता है। जैसे आप अलिफ लिख रहे हो तो आप साथ साथ बोलते रहिए कि अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ से अंगूर, अलिफ से अमरूद। ये आपकी उर्दू की अमली किताब है, इसका सफ़ा नंबर 5 और 6 की आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है। ओके, इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, उर्दू तीनों का आपका होमवर्क क्लासवर्क हो चुका है। तो ये आज हमने ये सब चीज़ें कवर की थी। एक तरीके से एक रिव्यू था 3 दिन का, 4 दिन का आप कह सकते हैं, कि मंडे से हम लोग एक लेटर साउंड, एक हुरूफ और 2 नंबर्स लेके चले थे। तो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीक में हम नया लेटर साउंड, नया नंबर और एक नई हुरूफ-ए-तहज्जी के साथ फिर से कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके, लास्ट में एक छोटा सा रिव्यू जो है हम सर्कल का ले लेते हैं। As you know, this is a circle shape. Do exercise of a circle. Take one paper and draw a big and a small circle, so you can differentiate between the concepts of big and small. What is big and what is small. As you all know, this circle is round and round. Okay, class, is enough for today. We have done with the review. Monday till Thursday we have homework classwork as well, so you have to complete your tasks as soon as possible. Inshallah on Monday we will come again online and take a class. So signing off from my side. Stay safe and stay at home. Okay, my lovely students, take care. Allah Hafiz.